Hello guys, welcome to the course of Adobe Premiere Pro Beginner to Expert. In this lesson, I'm going to discuss how to add an animation to any image in Adobe Premiere Pro. First of all, we will import the image into our project panel. After that, we'll insert the image into the timeline. Now, we'll increase the duration of the image as we required, and then we'll reposition the image. We'll scale it down. After that, we'll insert a keyframe for position, change the playhead and change the position of the image. We'll change the position and playhead, so therefore the keyframe will be inserted automatically. Here we can see that the image is coming from the left to right, but this is very slow. If we see it on a full screen, to make the animation faster, we will reduce the gaps between the keyframes. And if we change the time interpolation to ease out for smoothness of this animation faster than previous one, if we want to more faster, then we'll delete some of the keyframes and we'll reduce the gaps, close up the gaps. We'll delete again some keyframes and close up the gaps. So you can see that this is much faster. You can make it more faster by closing the gaps between the keyframes. So that's how we can create an animation on any image in Adobe Premiere Pro. So that's it for this lesson. We'll meet up with a new topic in the next lesson. Thank you.